Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can change that range selected in Facebook Ads Manager. So here we go. I made this tutorial for you that first time use this Meta Business or Facebook Ads Manager. All you have to do now, you can click on campaigns here, and this is your campaigns, for example. So here we go. So currently no data show by ads reporting. Let's get back to the campaign, and in order to filter or change that range, see there is a calendar here. So all you have to do now, just click this month calendar, and here we go. You can try to select range like this, for example 1 January until 1 February, then click update to apply. And also you can try to filter by today, yesterday, last 7 day, 14 days, and so on. Or you just want to make it custom, so feel free to try. Just input your date, month, and year in here, and you can click to compare from a previous period, previous month, previous year, and custom. So to apply, just click update. Feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and so button below. See you in the next video.